What's up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can make cryptocurrency wallet. Well, the process is pretty simple. For that, first of all, you need to decide whatever the cryptocurrency wallet you want to make. In this case, I'm going to show you how to create a tone wallet, but the process is similar for almost every wallet. So first of all, in order to create a wallet, you just have to have that application. Suppose I have Trust Wallet, MetaMask, or Tonekeeper, but I will create this for the Tonekeeper, and the process is the same for every wallet. So as you can see, this is how it will look whenever you will open up or create a wallet. Now they will want you to click on Get Started. Just click on Get Started. And then, as you can see, you can actually import your existing wallet as well. However, in this case, we will be creating a new wallet. So I'm just going to click on this new wallet. Now, clicking on new wallet will take you to this page or the home page where they will want you to, add some information. Now, you just have to, copy this information. Now, this information is important because you will need it for the backup and whenever you want to use your wallet. Now, having this information, click on continue. Now, after clicking on this continue, they will want you to put the information that you got. So I'm just gonna, take a picture of it so that I can put the information. So I'm just gonna take a snapping tool and then I'm gonna create a quick picture of it so that I have the idea about this wallet. Now I have saved it. Now what I will do is I will just click on continue and now I'm just gonna put this information. So I will just simply put the information that they showed me before. I have the picture on my right side, so I can see the picture. Now I will just simply add the data from it and let me just put the data into it. And there you go. As you can see, they just wanted to confirm me and now they want me to create a password. Now I will just simply create a password and let me just create a password. There you go. The password are done. I'm going to click on continue and then I can name my wallet and then click on save. And there you go. My wallet is ready to use. So that's pretty much it. That's how easy it is to create a wallet. So if I go to my Tonekeeper, you'll be able to see that I have wallet right now. That's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.